Hello friends, welcome to Financial Secrets. Today's lecture is on risk management by Angel Broking. Stock investing is characterized by a strong risk return correlation. High risk mean greater returns and vice versa. Risk management is the act of identifying and assessing the potential risk and developing strategies to minimize these and earn maximum possible returns. Okay, traders, रिस्क मॅनेजमेंट आपण व्यवस्थित केलं तर मॅक्सिमम प्रॉफिट कमवू शकतो. ओके, रिस्क मॅनेजमेंट कसं करायचं? रिस्क मॅनेजमेंट स्ट्रॅटेजीज आर देअर. फॉलोइंग मार्केट ट्रेंड्स. Many investors believe that investing against the market trends can yield them higher returns. However, following the trend is one of the most important stock market strategies to mitigate the investment risk. The difficulty in this strategy is being able to identify the trend because the markets are dynamic and constantly changing. Being able to spot the short-term trends within the longer duration is a difficult task. Now, diversifying investment portfolio. What it means? The Indian stock market provides investors several financial products such as equities, bonds, derivatives, and mutual funds. Investors can opt for more than one of these financial investments to diversify their portfolio. Further, diversification can be achieved by including financial products offered by different companies belonging to distinct sectors. This protects the overall returns from the investments from market fluctuations, and if a specific sector or a company moves in an unfavorable way, the other investments in the portfolio can achieve the balance within the investor portfolios. Being patient and avoiding quick decisions. Several investors make quick and hasty decisions with every small movements in the price of their investments. Moreover, another stock market tip that investors forget to adhere to is taking the time to do their research and due diligence before making their share market investment decisions. Determining the financial objectives prior to investing and focusing on both short-term as well as short-term objectives will help investors enjoy maximum returns on their stock market investments. Planning the trades. Planning and developing strategies help win wars. This is true for investing in the Indian stock markets too. Pre-planning can make all the difference between success and failure through stock investing. Using stop loss and take profit points are useful instruments in the planning the trades. Successful investors predetermine the entry and exit price levels to calculate the possible returns against the potential of the shares hitting these price levels. On the other hand, unsuccessful traders make investments without considering the prices at which they will buy and sell the financial instruments. They often trade with emotions. They continue holding on to their positions even when the price decreases in the hope of a turnaround and fail to book profits when the price rises with the greed of making higher profits. Now, stop loss. This is the lowest price that the investor is willing to sell and prevent further loss. Setting a stop loss point is useful when the market does not move as per the investor expectations. It is beneficial in the preventing the price will come back mentality and limiting the loss on the investment. Take profit. This is the price at which the investor is willing to sell his investment and book profits. This point is beneficial to reduce the risks when the possibility of further price increase is huge. Booking profits on stocks that are nearing their resistance levels after large gains ensures that investors sell there before consolidation occurs and prices begin to decrease. Stock market is risky and smart investors take advantage of risk management strategies to mitigate it. Careful and timely use of various risk mitigation tools ensure investors can maximize profits through stock investing. Okay guys,